Uploading YouTube Shorts is the quickest way to earn money from your YouTube channel. Additionally, you'll discover in this video how to quickly produce YouTube Shorts using a single free AI tool. This program does all of stuff in addition to VoiceOver, so you don't need ChatGPT to create the script or need CapCut to edit video. In this tutorial, I'll use two niches to explain it. So, let us get started on the research stage. This channel is in the animal niche, and they make videos on facts about animals or mind-blowing facts about so-and-so birds. And according to Social Blade, they've gotten more than 500,000 views in the last 30 days with 5K subscribers. Apparently, they started uploading a lot of shorts in April last year, and some of their videos went viral since YouTube is competing with TikTok on short-form content. This channel is in Hindi, and that short films might have a CPM of as little as 2 cents. I calculate that they might only be generating between $800 and $1,000 a month, which is still an impressive profit for content that only a minute long. In a moment, though, I'll explain to you how much more they could have made. This is a history-related channel that posts educational videos about historical figures or events. It has received over 2.2 million views in the last 30 days, which is more than what is needed to be monetized. Their upload is almost twice as much as that of the previous channel, and appears to have been doing this for over 1 year. It's in English and may be earning a little over $1,000 per month, which is also not bad. The tool we'll be using to create these videos is called Fliki AI. This has an idea to video feature. You can use it for free at all. To get started, create a new project, give it a name you want, and select from this drop-down menu of more than 70 languages. I will select the portrait dimension, which is the standard for YouTube Shorts. After that, click Submit while keeping the video option selected. To start creating the shorts, click on Magic Create at the upper right side and select Idea to Video. Then input your topic and the description in this box like I did by asking it to write 3 crazy animal facts you didn't know about. Write about big cats. Leave it on the 1-minute duration and stock media. Now click on Submit. Fliki will take some time to create a short video for you. And as you can see, it has created the short by reading the script and finding the visuals that match the scenes. However, you could wish to add more scenes to it in order to advance it. You can see from a few scenes that these scenes work better for longer videos than for shorter ones. I'll thus cut out a few lengthy sections and do the same for the other lengthy scenes. Then, in order to add more scenes to our short, I'd want to divide this block into 3 by clicking the plus icon twice and copying and pasting the sentences into the blocks. I will do the same for the remaining 2 blocks. Then go to the blank blocks without video and click on Auto Pick Video on the canvas. With this feature, the Fliki AI will choose a clip that it thinks matches the text in the block. And so I'll do the same for other blocks as well. However, if there is not enough context for the AI, it may pick a random clip, so you can either add a keyword to the text or simply click on the thumbnail and search for the video clip you want at the top. You'll see a lot of options to choose from, and I'll finish it off either by using the auto pick feature or by finding it in the stock library. You can also add footage from Pexels or Pixabay. For this purpose, you can click on My Library and add your videos from other websites. You can also do further settings of text according to your need. Click on Text and on right corner, you can tweak its setting. Choose where to place the captions, which I prefer to be at the center. Choose font, and the 2 fonts I like here are Josephine Sands and Leaksand, so I'll choose one of them and set the subtitle display to highlight or word. You can choose a highlight color you like for the captions and click on Apply to similar layers to apply on all scenes. Now the next step is the voiceover, which you can add by clicking on Sarah, which is under the voiceover, and listening to the voices to choose one you like. I'll select Davis for this short, and you can also choose language as well. And apply it to all of the scenes. 3 crazy animal facts you didn't know about. You may play the scenes to see how it looks if you wish. Now, I'm going to export it at the top by clicking on Download. It may take a few minutes to process, but the beauty is that you can close it and you'll be notified via your email when it's done, so we can start a new project to create the second video. Similar to what we did earlier, give it a name you like and choose from over 70 languages on this dropdown. I'll set the aspect ratio to portrait and hit Save to continue. In the Idea to Video section, I'll input a topic on history, maybe something like weird historical facts about Turkey, leave it on the 1-minute duration and stock media, and then click on Submit. Fliki needs some time to finish loading. In less than 60 seconds, Fliki produced the second short for us. You can also add a line like, "Do you know this?" at the conclusion to make the end loop with the start. This is a simple yet powerful hack for your shorts, like we did with the previous one. I'm going to cut out some of the blocks that are too long and shorten the video to just 1 minute. Furthermore, let's proceed to divide the blocks into 1 or 2, based on their length. Then I'll add relevant clips to them either by selecting the one I like in the stock library or by using the auto pick feature. And note that if you can't find a free video clip for your keyword, you can also choose images, and a zoom effect will be applied to them. Then I'll add a voiceover as we did before, and for this one we can choose a British accent since we have so many options to choose from. I'll export and play the 2 videos, but don't go yet as I'll show you how you can make more money with this.
Unbelievable big cat facts that will astonish you. Welcome to the wild world of big cats, where the unexpected is just around the corner. Now, let's talk about the tiger's skin. It's not just the fur that's striped, their skin is too. Even if you shaved a tiger, not recommended. Those iconic stripes would still be visible. Each of these facts sheds light on the fascinating characteristics that set big cats apart from the rest of the animal kingdom. So, the next time you're in awe of their power and majesty, remember there's more to these creatures than meets the eye. Thank you for joining us on this wild journey. Stay curious and keep exploring the animal kingdom for more surprises.
Uncovering Turkey's bizarre historical secrets. This slippery competition dates back to the Ottoman Empire. It's not just a sport, it's a testament to strength and honor. Let's sail to the past, where the first ever recorded advertisement comes from Turkey. An ad for Left Step, a lady, a heart. Left step means on to left side you can find house of the love. In the ancient city of Ephesus, women once wielded significant power. They could not only own property, but also divorce their husbands. Ending on a sweet note, did you know this turkey gave the world Turkish delight? A confectionery meant for royalty, now savored by all who visit.
Of course, you could edit it to be more perfect, as if video clips are showing twice as I was rushing through it and couldn't find free clips to use. However, if you pay the $21 monthly premium for the standard plan, you will get access to millions of premium videos and photos that perfectly match your keywords. And that will take me to the tips I have for you. As you can see, the channel that has a lot of subscribers and views on its shorts and subscribers should do now is to start creating long videos because that's where the real money is. And that's precisely what this channel, Animal Facts, is doing. They are sharing both lengthy and short-form videos. And even if their long videos are getting lesser views, 1,000 views on them can be more profitable than 100,000 views on a short. And I'm sure the second channel understood this very well, as it seems they grew their channel a lot faster with shorts, but that didn't stop them from uploading long videos. Well, you can still create long videos with Fliki in one go, following the same steps in this video. Using our first video as an example, instead of the short 1-minute video, you can choose 5 minutes or long, which is 8 or 10 minutes. You can ask it to write 11 animal facts, and you would want to include more animal species like birds. But you may need the Fliki standard plan to be able to choose more high-quality video clips and better voiceovers. And if you learn 1 or 2 things from this one, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe our channel.